a small piece and throw it in water, see what happens. Actually boils. And let's see what happens. Fill it up all the way to the top. See what happens. Wow, this is cool stuff, yo. First thing we're gonna do is get our battery. I have a AA battery that will work, and grab our wire and put it on top of it and tape it with electric tape. So it will not burn your finger, just don't matter, like that. You see, we have the battery and a wire coming out like that. Then grab a screw and put the neodymium magnet on the bottom. Bounce it so it's like in the middle, you see what I'm saying? Then you're gonna put the screwdriver on top of the battery like that, on that thing right there. And then grab a wire and touch the magnet. Guess what happens? A little bit of smoke. Pretty cool, huh? Very simple model, let's check it out. Look how fast it's spinning. So what we're gonna do is put the match like that on the edge and just roll it up tightly. Very, very tightly, you know what I mean? As tight as you can. Yep, you guys seen it? There's a lot of smoke, that's why you shouldn't do it at home. Smoke, you don't wanna smoke up your house. Yeah, now I see it. So once. Alright, now I got a lot of magnesium over there. Now I'm gonna spark it. I missed it. And we got the fire. And then you're gonna light it up. Light it up and put the cornstarch in your mouth and blow on it. Alright, I'm gonna do it again and turn off the light. Let's see what happens. First I'm gonna light this thing up, the torch. Put it over here on the corner and just stop it on top of a knife on the handle. Stick it in, like, you know, all the way, kinda, not all the way, but it depends how long is your knife. Do not use a crappy knife. Use a stone knife, you know, and then change your angle on the side like that. You see how different is the angle now? Like almost 90 degrees. And then grab the can by the bottom and hold it tightly. And just with one movement, go ahead like that. Then regroup with one movement, go ahead like that. Regroup with one movement. And we got it open. Somebody and win some money, like a bet or something. Pretty much ask for the belt and say you can rip it apart with just your bare hands. And the trick in this video is just spin it around like this. Check it out. On one, you see how I spun it around on one side and spin it around on the other side. Like this. You see? You got this like two circles. Let's see it closer. So now, as you can see, we got spun it around with two sides. All you need to do is spin this one this way and this one the other way. So if I'm gonna keep spinning, hold it tight. Guess what? Guess what happens? I'm gonna rip off that belt with just my bare hands. You see, with physics, you can look a lot stronger.